There are two very popular paths that you can take when you're getting married in Vegas. The first is you head downtown, you just stay on Las Vegas Boulevard, and you'll eventually run into 50 little places to get married. Little white wedding chapels, if you will. Most of these places are pretty busy, so you might want to call ahead, but you certainly don't have to if you don't mind a little wait. You pay for a package that best suits your budget or level of love. A few minutes later, you're husband and wife, and you can get back to gambling. Some places even have gaming inside, so you don't have to wait at all. And the second way is a bit more traditional. Almost every casino, at least all the big ones, have their own wedding chapel or chapels. If you're looking to do it up big, this is the way to go. Casinos can get almost anything for you on your special day as long as your budget doesn't get in the way. These places are booked far in advance, so make sure you plan ahead, and you definitely get what you pay for. The variety of locations and flowers and honeymoon suites are almost endless. And for the big weddings, the added benefit of having everyone being able to stay in the same hotel is certainly an added bonus. They typically throw in some free stuff for the bride and groom that you don't get everywhere else, since in Vegas, the casinos don't need to make all their money off of your room or your food or your drink. Vegas wants all of you together on your special day so you get drunk and head to the tables or the slots after the reception.